welcome back to another one. Today we're working on a 2016 Mustang. It's the 3.7. It's not mine, it's a buddy of mine's. We're gonna replace the exhaust. We're gonna do cat back, so it's gonna sound pretty awesome. We're excited for it. We're gonna get it going here, get it lifted up, and then put it on, and we'll show you the before and after, so stay tuned. So, first thing we're gonna do on this bad boy is we're going to take off the old exhaust, which is actually a lot simpler than I thought it was gonna be. For anybody who's done exhaust before, you know how much of a pain. So, if we get under here, we're gonna have to remove these two bolts right from or four bolts, sorry, right from in front of the resonator. So that's going towards the back of the Mustang. Remove those bolts, and then we're just gonna remove everything off the hangers and pull it right out, so it should be quick. So now we're just gonna remove the bushings on the hangers, that way it'll just slide right off. Well, we removed the hangers up here on the back frame, and then we literally just pulled it back and then pushed it forward, and it dropped right out. So pretty simple to take it out. Let's see how easy it is to put it back again. All right, so we got the old exhaust out. Pretty easy job. Now we just got to piece together this one. I like to set it out. Here's the pipe coming back, the end mufflers, the resonator, and then that side pipe's over there. So we'll just try and Frankenstein this back together and hope it sounds good. All right. So we just hung the pipes up right now just to kind of get close to where they're supposed to be and see how it's going to go. And then we're going to go ahead and put the resonator on the front. I'll show you guys that real quick. Got the back mufflers in. Now we're gonna go back, finish clamping everything else up, and then we're gonna start it up and let you guys see. Last 2 bolts here, guys. And then we'll get to see the goodness. All right, guys, we got it in. Let's hear it. Oh, that is beautiful. Go ahead and rev it. Rev it.